Hello and good day everyone. This is my first unboxing ever. I don't usually do these videos. If you're watching this for the first time, I believe that this is the first British Airways 787-10 Dreamliner unboxing on YouTube. So I thought it will give me an opportunity to try an unboxing for the first time. I collect planes as a hobby. I'm not a big YouTuber, but I thought I'll take this opportunity to do an unboxing. And from what I've seen so far, this is the first on YouTube. So let's have a look at the box first. So we've got the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. It's a beautiful box, and it's obviously produced by NG Next Generation models. It's a 1:400 scale, and it's the registration excuse me, of the first British Airways 787-10, registration Golf Zulu Bravo Lima Alpha. So let's have a look at the other side of the box. Again, we've got the same information here, and at the back. Okay, so let's try and unbox it. So here we are, coming out. There it is. Let's take the cover off. All the plastics. Just try to delicately take it out. Here we go. So there's our British Airways 787-10 NG Next Generation model, scale of 1:400. As you can see, it's a beautiful model, very detailed, beautiful landing gears with the registration number on the landing gear. Rolls-Royce engines. I will leave the link in the description from where I bought this model from and the price that I got it for. I pre-ordered it in advance and I just received it by post today. It is a very detailed and beautiful model. As you can see, you've got the Wi-Fi antenna just over here and all the other antennas. So here it is then. This is the first unboxing of the British Airways 787-10 Dreamliner. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.